Once upon a time, in the faraway Scottish Highlands, something strange happened. The green hills, the deep forests, and the sparkling lochs were covered in ice and snow. It was winter in the middle of summer. The people shivered in their homes, and the animals could not find food. No one knew how this happened or how to stop it. Queen Merida, with her fiery red hair and sharp arrows, rode through the frozen land. She had never seen her kingdom like this before. The rivers had turned to ice, and the trees were heavy with frost. Merida knew she had to find a way to save her home. Far away in the kingdom of Arendelle, Queen Elsa heard of the strange winter in Scotland. She knew ice magic well, but she was sure this was not her doing. Elsa decided to travel to the Highlands to help. Her sister Anna wanted to come, but Elsa told her to stay and watch over Arendelle. When Elsa arrived, she met Merida in the grand castle of Dunbroch. "This winter is not normal," Elsa said, touching the cold stone walls. "There is magic here, but it is not mine." Merida nodded. "A wise old druid told me of an ancient legend. It speaks of a hidden prophecy, one that connects both of us." She unrolled a dusty old scroll. The words spoke of two queens, one with fire in her spirit and one with ice in her hands, who must work together. The prophecy also spoke of a cursed mountain where an ancient spirit slept. If the spirit was awakened with the wrong magic, the land would freeze forever. "I think someone has disturbed the spirit," Merida said. Elsa and Merida set out on their journey. They rode through snowy forests, climbed frozen cliffs, and faced fierce, mythical creatures. A great ice wolf tried to stop them, but Elsa used her magic to calm it. A swarm of enchanted ravens attacked, but Merida's arrows flew fast and true. Finally, they reached the Cursed Mountain. At its peak, they found a giant ice crystal glowing with dark magic. "Someone tried to use magic here," Elsa whispered, "but it went wrong." Merida saw footprints in the snow. "Whoever did this is still close." Just then, an old sorcerer stepped out of the shadows. "You cannot stop what has begun," he said. His hands glowed with icy magic. Elsa and Merida stood together. "We must try," Elsa said firmly. She raised her hands and sent a wave of warm magic toward the ice crystal. Merida shot an arrow with all her strength, striking the heart of the crystal. With a loud crack, the spell broke. The ice melted, the air grew warm, and the land was free once more. The sorcerer gasped as his power faded. He ran away, never to be seen again. Elsa and Merida smiled at each other. "We made a good team," Merida said. Elsa nodded. "Together, we saved the Highlands." The people cheered as their home returned to life. Flowers bloomed, the rivers flowed, and the sun shone bright. Elsa returned to Arendelle, and Merida ruled her kingdom with pride, knowing that she had a powerful friend across the sea. And so, the Highlands were safe once more, thanks to the two brave queens who followed their destiny.